Jyoti, Soumya, Sanjay. Sanjay has come.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Mhm. Sanjay,
Sir, sir,
Sanjay, what is crop rotation?
sir, once if you plant the sugarcane crop, after it has been harvested, we have to change the other crop. Like we shouldn't plant again sugarcane. We have to plant some other crop. So in order to change the crop, it helps to settle the soil, sir. So it helps to enrich the nutrients in soil.
Oh,
As if sugarcane will be taking only potassium means the next crop will be taking other some other nutrients. So the soil shouldn't go out of potassium. So
oh.
we will be doing crop rotation every year, sir.
So crop rotation is beneficial for the farmers, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like after every crop, we have to every crop session we have to change the crop, sir. Once we
Very,
grow vegetable, next thing we have to go grow for paddy or something else.
oh, good,
So it helps the soil enrichment also.
very good. Yeah, now Viswa has come. Viswa, can you hear me, Viswa? Viswa, can you hear
Good
me?
afternoon, sir. Sir, good
Yeah,
evening, sir.
good evening. Yeah, Viswa, good evening. I think
I'm
you
able
had,
to hear.
yeah, you had college today, no?
Yes, sir. Project presentation we
Acha,
held, sir.
acha. What was the
That's
project
why
you presented?
we are created an XOR XNOR gate for delay reduction like that, sir.
Acha. Something computer wise. Okay.
Electronics.
Electronics. Very good. Now, Viswa, please tell me what is an Aadhaar card? Tell me what do you know about Aadhaar card?
Aadhaar card is one of the identity card, like identification card, which is provided by the government of India to the citizens of India only. It is an KYC for many of the banks also. It is nowadays it is very important to carry a Aadhaar because everything almost everything is determined using the Aadhaar. So,
Correct. Good. And some more points also you can add. Sanjay, can you add some more points to that, what he said about Aadhaar
Like,
card?
uh, so Aadhaar card is identity proof for every candidate in India. So
Mm,
it is a compulsory
mm,
thing that everyone should be carrying it.
mm. Supposing I ask Chat GPT what it will tell me, I think it will tell something more. Aadhaar card. If I ask like that, what are the things it will tell? Yeah. Mm. I had something else in mind, but it is telling something else. Doesn't matter. Vishwa, please read what are the things it is telling. Aadhaar card is a, are you seeing on the screen? Vishwa, are you able to see on the screen? Sanjay, are you able to see? Sanjay.
sir, I mistakenly muted it, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
So yes.
No,
So
but
one second, sir.
I suggest you all keep it on
Okay, sir.
unless you have some people near you talking. If you are staying in a living room where TV is going on, then you can switch it off.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you can keep it on all the time. There is no problem.
Okay,
Or
sir.
if there is some dum outside the house, then also you can switch it off. Please read Viswa. The Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card is a unique identification document issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI). It is a 12-digit unique identification number that serves as proof of the identity and address for an Indian resident. Here are some of the key points about the Aadhaar card. Purpose: Aadhaar card is used to establish the identity of an individual and it is often required for various government and non-government services. Information on Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card contains essential information such as Aadhaar number, individual's names, photograph, date of birth, gender, and address. enrollment process. To obtain an Aadhaar card, individuals need to visit an Aadhaar enrollment center and provide proof of identity and addresses, biometric data, including fingerprints and iris scans.
Iris scans.
Iris, iris scans is also collected during the enrollment process. Aadhaar number. The 12-digit Aadhaar number is unique to each individual and it is used for various purposes, including accessing government services, opening bank accounts, and linking to mobile numbers. Security features. The Aadhaar card incorporates security features.
Hello, Viswa. Sanjay, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please read security features.
So the Aadhaar card incorporates security features to prevent duplicate of fraud. The biometric information collected during enrollment adds an extra layer of security. Mobile number and email ID linking. It is recommended to link a mobile number and email ID to Aadhaar to receive updates and use various methods. Authentication. Other authentication allows individuals to link a mobile number with email ID to
Yeah, one minute.
Aadhaar to receive.
1 minute. One phone is coming. Hello. Hello. Yes, please. Kajiram meeting le vandirukkiya? Sari Baba. Okay. Yeah. Now,
Hello, sir.
yeah, please read. Yeah.
Sir, Kaviram called me and asked to join.
Yeah. Oh, that is why you disconnected. Achha.
Yeah.
No problem. Doesn't matter. Now Sanjay is reading. Sanjay, read mobile number and
Yes, sir.
email ID.
Mobile number and email linking is recommended to link authentication.
Read.
Authentication. Aadhaar authentication allows individual to prove their identity using their Aadhaar number. This is usually used for service like SIM card activation, SIM card activation, bank account opening, etc. Importance. Aadhaar is widely accepted as a valid proof of identity and address for various official purposes, including opening bank accounts, applying for government subsidies, and more. It is important to note the information provided.
It's not required. That much is okay.
Yeah.
Because again, they will say this is only as on 2022, like that, they will tell. Yeah. Save and submit. Again, it is giving, no? Save and I thought save and submit means it will save, but it is giving again. Doesn't matter. No problem. So that was the question on Aadhaar card because they have asked once in the interviews. Now I will ask Mr. Kaviram. Kaviram, please tell me, what do you know about PAN card?
PAN card is a unique card given by the government of India. The purpose of PAN card is to have an individual number in which we can show our income tax returns and information. We can file a GST with the help of this PAN card, sir.
What? GST with PAN card? Who said?
No, sir. We can also register the PAN card details with our GST number, so that it will be helpful.
GST, I think they have a separate number. GST.
Yes, sir, that is a separate number, but we have to connect both numbers so that it will be helpful at the time of year end, sir.
I don't know. Let me see. Let me ask. GST and PAN card.
Yes, sir.
Whether there is any connection? GST is a tax system in India, requires registration number called GSTIN. To get a GSTIN, one needs to have a permanent account number. Good. The GSTIN is based on PAN of the taxpayer. One can search for a GST number online by using the PAN. To do this, one needs to visit the GST portal. Good answer. Come on, continue.
Thank you. Yes, sir. GST is
apart from that PAN card. We are discussing about PAN card. Tell me.
Purpose of the PAN card or from the startings?
No, you tell whatever comes to your mind regarding PAN card.
Yes, sir.
No, no.
we
Okay,
can
you
have,
read. Okay, you
yes,
read. Okay, you read this.
the primary purpose of PAN card is to track financial transactions and prevent tax evasion. It is mandatory for various financial activities such as filing income tax returns, opening a bank account, conducting high value transaction and more. Format. A PAN card contains 10-digit
Hmm.
alphanumeric code where the first 5 characters are letters, followed by 4 numerals and ending with a letter. For example, A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, F.
Very nice. Then,
Application. Individuals and entities can apply for PAN card through official website of Income Tax Department or through authorized PAN service centers.
hmm,
Documents required to apply for a PAN card. You typically need to provide proof of identity, proof of address, proof of date of birth. Documents such as Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, or utility bills can be submitted for this purpose. Online application. The online application process involves filling out the PAN application form, submitting the necessary documents, and paying the required fee. Once processed, the PAN card is sent to applicants. Yes, sir. Correction and update. If there are any errors in the PAN card or if there are any changes in the personal information, individuals can request correction and update online. Lost or damaged PAN card. In case of loss, theft, or damage to the PAN card, individuals can apply for duplicate card by following necessary procedure. It is
good.
important to know that.
No, no. Okay, okay. That is not right. Good.
Okay.
That is correct. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, next question. What we will do is what is financial inclusion, and tell your ideas about financial inclusion. Who would like to answer this? Akshay. Akshay, can you answer this?
Yes, sir. Financial inclusion is the methods adopted by the government of India to provide access to even the rural areas of the people to the financial facilities.
Financial services.
Yeah, services
What are financial services like?
like bank, ATM facilities,
No, no, no. Banking and insurance.
bank and insurance.
ATM and all will come under banking.
Okay.
Normally, banking, when you say, it includes deposits, it includes advances, it includes remittance, it also includes ATM, everything, and insurance facilities. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. What are the other schemes done by government for achieving financial inclusion? You may not know it. None of you will know
Sir, one of
it. What are the other government schemes brought so that this financial inclusion is achieved?
sir is the MGNREGA scheme
No,
part of.
no, no. That is not for this. That is, of course, to provide employment. Okay. That is
Okay.
not for financial inclusion. The schemes announced by government for this purpose are, anybody else can try? Akshay cannot answer this. Kaviram, can you tell?
Sir, I know the actions to reach people, but schemes I don't.
First and foremost scheme is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This scheme was introduced according to which people can open bank accounts with nil balance,
Sir,
zero balance.
can you
Yeah,
come
please.
again once again for that name, sir? Pradhan Mandri
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY.
Bojana, sir.
No, no, no. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
Yojana.
YOJ. Yojana
Okay.
means plan or scheme. Yojana is an Hindi term.
Okay, sir.
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme is a scheme under which people can open accounts with nil balance. See, actually what was happening, people were not coming to bank because banks were asking them to remit 500 rupees or 1000 rupees in those days for opening accounts. For many people, even that 500 is a big sum, so they don't have So in order to encourage them and make them come into banking, this scheme was done. Because why government wanted to do this? In that case, they will be able to adopt the schemes like NACH, National Automated Clearing House, through which government is now remitting 11.8 crore people 2,000 rupees every 4 months towards Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi and also gas subsidy. Everything is done through by pressing one button, crores of accounts will be credited.
How
So
many
such a
amount? How much amount, sir?
for Pradhan Mantri Kisan
Then it's
Samman Nidhi, 2,000 rupees per 4 months. Every 4 months they are giving. So nearly 11.8 crore people. And in order to achieve that purposes, government wanted everybody to have a bank account. Then another scheme started by government is known as, please note down, Pradhan Mantri Atal Pension Yojana.
Atal.
Atal Pension Yojana. It is based on Bihari Vajpayee. No, he was the AB Vajpayee. He was the Prime Minister of our country at that time. Based on his name, these people have started. According to that, see, people like me who has worked in a bank or in a government, we have pension facilities. Whereas crores and crores of people who are working in private employment, like say laborers, garden workers, then chaprasi, so many people, that some cobbler, driver, so many people, they don't have any pension scheme. And then carpenter, then that mason and small workmen, everybody, nobody, construction workers, they don't have any scheme for pension. So this scheme was brought according to which people who are of the age of 18 to 40 can open an account either in post office or in public sector banks, probably in private sector banks also. I'm not sure. Please check it up. They can open an account and remit a amount every month, so that on their attaining 60 years age, they have to, up to that they have to remit. On their attaining 60 years age, they will get pension of 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. Initially, when the scheme was started, government said they will also contribute a similar amount. Subsequently, they withdrew that option. Now, the worker has to remit till his age of 60. From 60th year, he will get pension. That is what these farmers are asking now. We want you to give pension even without our remitting money. That is what they are asking. So that is one. Another scheme started by government for achieving financial inclusion is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMSBY. S for sugar, B for Bombay, Y for Yojana. This is an accident insurance scheme according to which on payment of premium of just 20 rupees, the person will be covered for accidental benefits. That means in case the insured person dies in an accident, his nominee will be getting 2 lakhs rupees. And in case he is physically handicapped, then fully handicapped, then he will get 1 lakh rupees. So it is such a good scheme where only 20 rupees, 2 lakh rupees is being covered. Another scheme is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. This is run by LIC. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. According to that, people have to pay only rupees 436 rupees every year. And in case this is only for people from the age of, say, for the first scheme is from 18 to 70, the second scheme is from 18 to 60. If they open if they open this insurance policy, on death, the nominee will get 2 lakh rupees, irrespective of the fact of death, maybe due to accident or not due to accident. So this is a scheme again, which is beneficial for the poor people to get up to 2 lakhs as insurance claim. And another one scheme is known as Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, according to which people above the age of 60 years, they can now save up to 30 lakhs. Earlier, it was 15 lakhs. Now we can save up to 30 lakhs, for which government is paying, or the banks, government is paying, because everything is coming and these things are, this scheme is coming under small savings scheme. So government only is paying 8.2% interest. This is for senior citizen above age 60. Another scheme is known as, for what is that scheme? Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. This scheme is mainly meant for parents who are having girl children up to the age of 10 years. They can open an account in post office or in banks, and they have to remit every year 250 rupees at least in a financial year. Minimum 250 rupees you have to remit. And maximum one can remit into this account is 1,50,000 only. You know, the government is paying interest of 8.2%. And the money can be withdrawn on the girl attaining the age of 21 years for marriage or for study purposes. Some such scheme has been introduced. This is extension of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. What is that? What is the name of the scheme? Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
Sukanya Samriddhi.
Sukanya Samriddhi is extension of that scheme. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao was started for mainly girl children. So these are the schemes started by government for financial inclusion. Understand? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is disinvestment? And contrast it with privatization. Yes, please.
Once
What is disinvestment? And contrast it with privatization and privatization. Disinvestment, privatization. The answer is given here. 1 minute. It is in Guidely. Yeah, who will read this? Sanjay, please read. Disinvestment refers to.
Disinvestment refers to transferring of funds, cash, over any material object or commodity to another person, entity, group of individuals. Privatization refers to complete withdrawal of one's stakes.
In any material
One's
object.
stakes in any material object to such a limit that he or she loses ownership power over it. Disinvestment is good to some extent to bring efficiency, competitiveness in any organization, whereas privatization occurs only when someone or government is in huge need of money, or when the concerned organization or object is underperforming.
Actually, disinvestment means now government, is going to disinvest a portion of their shares in IDBI Bank. It is already privatized. It is already privatized. They made it success by making it major shares being taken by LIC. And the another object is major shares are with the government. They want to give government shares and LIC shares to an extent of 60% in that bank to public. So that is known as disinvestment. Privatization means it is like, say, government trying to sell as many shares as possible, more than now it is already privatized. This is privatized, and even though it is privatized, government shares have not been given, has not been given yet. So that is known as disinvestment. Privatization is where government is trying to have less than 50% shares in the capital of a company. Among the public sector banks, the bank in which government holds major shares is Punjab and Sindh Bank. There are totally 12 public sector banks in our country. First is State Bank of India. Second comes Punjab National Bank. Third comes Bank of Baroda. Fourth, Union Bank of India. Fifth, Canara Bank. Sixth, Indian Bank. Seventh, Indian Overseas Bank. Eighth, Bank of India. Ninth, Bank of Maharashtra. 10th, Central Bank of India. 11th, UCO Bank. One name I have omitted. What is the name?
Sir, Punjab Sindh Bank.
Punjab Sindh Bank, I told you, no? Told you.
Punjab
So
Bank.
only 11, excluding State Bank of India, only 11.
Sir,
Excluding,
Punjab
yeah,
National Bank and Punjab Sindh Bank both are different or same, sir?
both are different. Punjab and Sindh Bank is a small bank where government is holding nearly 99% share. I don't know what is the reason. Whereas Punjab National Bank and all, government has already sold 20-30% shares. I don't know how much it is. So this is what it is. Punjab Sindh Bank, its headquarters is in, if I am not wrong, it is in New Delhi or somewhere in Gurgaon, that North India, Noida or something. 1 minute, we will check it up. Punjab and Sindh Bank headquarters. New Delhi only. It's only New Delhi. In fact, sometimes in Federal Bank interview also, they used to ask the candidates to tell me the name of 6 public sector banks. If they stop with that, fine. If they ask, tell me the name of 6 public sector banks, their headquarters, who is their chairman, finished. Even I cannot remember now. And incidentally, today is an important day in the case of bank employees, because today only 12th bipartite settlement has been signed. 12th bipartite settlement. That means the employees union and the management of banks, they have signed. This is that one. Are you seeing online? I think you will not see that. I'm showing that to you. This is what has been signed today. Just today. Just today, it has been signed by the government. Here, I am having only for officers, whereas similar thing has been done for clerical staff also. The salary is being revised for 17.5%, 17%. Sorry, 17%. The salary of officers is now going to be revised to 48,480. That means they will be getting minimum 65 to 70,000 officers. Clerical staff, as it is, they are all getting 35 to 39,000. It will increase by another 4,000. That is 17%, means around 4 to 5,000 it will go up. Around 45,000 they will get. So this agreement has been signed today. And in that, my Indian Bank chairman is also one of the members who has signed the agreement along with the Association. They are all members of an association known as Indian Banks Association that contains representatives or the management of all the banks, including your federal bank. So this revision is applicable for federal bank also. See, this is the signature. Shantilal Jain is from Indian Bank. Then Vinod Kumar Mishra. Then so many people, they are all people from other banks. Now, list of private banks which are included in this. First bank is Federal Bank up to scale 3. Up to scale 3, it is allowed. Beyond scale 3, I think they don't take this into account. They will be giving a better salary perhaps. Karnataka Bank also up to scale 3. South Indian Bank up to scale 4. Karur Vysya Bank, I think but sometimes Karur Vysya Bank, I have heard some people telling they are not paying government salary. Even in respect of Kotak Mahindra Bank also, they are not giving this much salary. They take people on contract, they give less salary. Whereas same thing with Dhanalakshmi Bank also, they don't pay. Whereas these banks, Nainital Bank is paying fully, Jammu Kashmir Bank is paying fully, Federal Bank is paying fully, Karnataka Bank is paying fully. The names of banks are given here. Okay.
Sir, whether Yes Bank is privatized or public
Yes
bank,
Bank
sir?
is 100% private. It was private, it is continuing to be private. Since
Okay.
it was running into problem, in order to save that, government wanted State Bank of India to take 25% of its share. So 25%
Yes
of the
Bank's
share
share.
capital, 25% of Yes Bank is now owned by State Bank of India. Otherwise, Yes Bank would have gone on liquidation. They don't want that to go on liquidation because they were having such a huge amount, some similar to present our Federal Bank. In those days, they were having more than 2 lakhs deposits. And they had lent more than 2,80,000 as advances. That is why the problem was there. And now it is being, I think it is somewhat under control now. Very good. So which question we were discussing about?
We are discussing about nationalized banks in India.
Privatization and all that. Correct, correct. Yeah. Now please read somebody, Kaviram, please read
Yes, sir.
16. What do you
Sir,
say?
yes,
What
I'm seeing list of private sector banks.
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Sixteen. What do you understand by GDP of the country? The final value of all goods and services produced under the geographical area of the country is the gross domestic product of the country. GDP is calculated at consumption, investment, and exports and imports are subtracted from the sum of these three.
These are the questions they can ask in any interview. Let us go through this. Kaviram, please read.
Yes, sir. GK exercise. Who is the chairperson for our bank organization? Where is the
Who is the
headquarters?
chairman of Federal Bank?
Sir,
Shyam
many of
Srinivas,
them, no, sir.
MD
There
and
is
CEO.
4 directors, I think so. Sir.
ED Hota.
Ah,
What
Hota.
Hota? Some Hota. Which Hota? I don't.
AP
Sir,
Hota, sir.
AP Hota. Correct. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. I am telling wrongly, I know. These are the key personnel.
He's chairman.
Please read this, Kabiram, read this once again.
Yes, sir.
Shyam
Shyam
Srinivasan.
Srinivasan, Managing Director and CEO. AP Hota, Part-time Chairman and Independent Director.
Sufficient.
Siddharth,
Sufficient.
yes, sir.
Because you can't be remembering everything. This one.
Shalini Warrior, Executive Director. Harsh Dugar, Executive Director.
So one more director you read, this madam, Varsha Puramdare.
Varsha Purandare,
I am
Independent
asking you to
Director.
read because in one interview they asked tell the name of 3 directors of our bank. Even if you tell AP Hota, it is okay. Chairman and also director. But sometimes if they want only director name, you remember this madam's name. Then which name you like, you remember. You can remember Siddharth Sengupta. Remember this gentleman. Okay. 3 names they are asking. Okay. Very
Yes,
good. Now we have to go through.
sir, you
This.
have showed some scheme, right, sir? Today they have signed GOR.
Yeah. That is there in another page.
Yes, sir. Is it applicable for
Federal
future
Bank, yes.
candidates also?
Yes. It is implemented. It is implemented from 1st November 2022. All the
Okay.
bank employees who are working in banks, they will get arrears.
Okay, sir.
They will get arrears. The arrears is around, some people are getting 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs and all that. It depends. Because
Okay.
it has been revised 17%.
Okay, sir.
Imagine, supposing there is a senior clerk, his salary is now somewhere around 1 lakh. 17% means 17,000.
Yes.
17,000 into 28 months, you put how much it comes? 17 into 28. Just a minute. I am calculating in calculator. You are all candidates. You must be able to tell me, Sat, what is 17 into 28? Tell me quickly. 17 into 28, 476. So 17,000 means 4,76,000.
76,000.
Yeah, they will get. Yeah. So that's what it is. Which question we were reading our this thing? Yeah. Please read. Where is the headquarters?
Where is the headquarters of our organization situated at?
Tell me what is the answer for Federal Bank?
Aluva, Kochi. Aluva, sir. It is
Correct.
Kerala.
Correct. Aluva, Kochi. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Then read.
Yes, sir. How many branches do we have?
I think you know some 1442 or something. Please go to
1440.
Federal Bank website and get to know. Please continue.
What is the tagline of our bank?
What is the tagline?
Best bank ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Your perfect banking partner.
Perfect bank. Thank you.
Your
Perfect bank.
perfect banking partner.
Yes, sir.
Because it is there in Federal Bank website. Na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is available.
On top. Your perfect banking partner. It is given on top. Okay. Yeah. Now read Kabiram.
Yes, sir. What do you know about bank mergers?
That is not, this is out of portion question. It won't be asked. Next.
Express your views regarding privatization of banks in India.
So what will you tell?
Sir,
There is no the correct answer. Whatever comes to your mind is privatization banks. Yeah. Because
privatization of banks.
today also that the one of the person CH Venkatachalam of AIB, he said Nirmala Sitharaman has told they are thinking of privatizing, including State Bank of India. Earlier, they were telling they are going to privatize Indian Overseas Bank, then Central Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, because they were having losses and like that. But now it seems they are telling they want to privatize, including banks like State Bank of India. Then any bank can be privatized. It depends on, now government is not touching it because election is coming. Yeah.
Sir,
Now
is it
continue.
privatization will be helpful for people or
Privatization is not useful for employees because some private banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Yes Bank and all, though they are earning huge profits, they are not sharing the income proper, giving proper salary to the employees. Whereas HDFC Bank is the biggest bank, but their salary is very low. But for the customers, it is useful. Their services are really good. Similar to Federal Bank, their services are really good. Continue.
Yes, sir. How do you, in which bank do you have an account?
Hmm.
I have an account in a Canara Bank, sir.
And you should also know who is the chairman of Canara Bank. Where is the headquarters of Canara Bank?
Okay, sir.
Continue.
What type of accounts do you have and what are the different type of bank accounts?
Actually, the answer is everybody will be having only savings account.
Yes, sir.
Maximum one recurring deposit and all, nobody keeps in the name of children. So it will be only savings bank. The
There
next
are four
question
types.
is next question they are asking is what are the names of other accounts? Tell me.
Sir,
Sir,
savings
I have one
account,
doubt,
current
sir.
account,
Yeah.
fixed deposit, and recurring deposit account.
Current account also.
Current
Hello,
account.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I am having account in DBS, sir. It's showing the headquarters in Singapore, sir.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Whether I can tell that or in India, I should tell.
No, you can tell that. DBS headquarters in Singapore. It is a foreign bank only.
Okay. Now only it take over the Lakshmi
Lakshmi
Vilas
Vilas.
Bank.
Yeah, I know. But you can tell DBS Bank, or probably they may have a local headquarters also. That we can
That
see.
is in Mumbai. Okay. Now I see. Mumbai.
Yeah, it's in Mumbai. You know that
Yes, sir.
DBS Bank local headquarters. So please tell that local headquarters. Headquarters is Singapore only, Baba. It is only Singapore. The key people behind that, as Peter say, Chairman Piyush Gupta, CEO. Head office is in Singapore only. Local headquarters. Local head office. Can it be Bombay? I don't know.
Where is it's showing that where is the DBS India headquarters? It's showing Mumbai cooperative banking address like that.
Acha. Then tell Mumbai. No problem. Good. Then next question is.
Sir, they have gone for liquidation of Lakshmi Vilas Bank, no, sir. They have merged with DBS Bank, right, sir? They have not gone for
Merging,
liquidation.
not liquidation.
Yes, sir.
DBS Bank has taken over Lakshmi Vilas Bank.
Yes, sir. What is
But
in case if they
even
go
now,
for
even now, they are not working fully. They are not giving any free loans and all that. They are giving only gold loans. They are very careful. Their expansion is very less because I am getting lot of employees for promotion interviews and they are going over to another bank and all. I will get lot of candidates. All of them are struggling. Their salary is very low. They have cut the salary. They have cut the salary by 50% or so. And DBS Bank.
sir, the people's money will go directly into the DBS Bank or how it happens?
It will go to DBS Bank. It will go to
Okay.
DBS Bank only. So in the case of scheduled commercial banks, it is a scheduled bank now, in which case up to 5 lakhs rupees is guaranteed per individual by
Per account, right?
DICGC.
Yes.
Not account, per account, per individual. 5 lakhs in the name of husband, 5 lakhs in the name of wife. In one bank. Imagine there are so many banks. Not only branch, it is based on bank. You may have 3 lakhs in Mylapore branch. You may have 5 lakhs in, say, your Triplicane branch. But because your accounts are all interconnected, SIP, there is one number known as customer identification form number. Through that, in case a bank goes in liquidation, DICGC will give up to rupees 5 lakhs per individual. That is why it is always advisable to open accounts. 5 lakhs in the name of husband, wife, 5 lakhs in the name of wife and husband. So in which case 10 lakhs will be covered per bank. And for this purpose, each bank has to pay 12 paise per rupees 100 per year. They have to pay premium to DICGC. It is a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. The chairman's name is Mr. M.D. Patro, one of the deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, good. Continue.
Yes, sir. What are the headquarters of the bank and who is the chairperson? We
Continue.
have seen this. Why
Yeah.
why have you opened an account in that particular bank?
The best answer is that branch is situated near my house, or I was drawing a scholarship. My college wanted me to open an account there. Something like. Continue.
Okay. How many digits are there in your bank account?
Each bank it differs. Some banks has 11, some bank has 14. So you have to check up how much it is. Then continue.
What is IFSC code? Where is your bank's nearest branch to your residence? Is and what is it IFSC code?
IFSC code means Indian Financial System Code. Each branch has been a unique identification code. It is a 11-digit alphanumerical code. 11-digit alphanumerical code. There are some conditions for that. First four represent something, second four represents like that. There are some conditions. Please get to know what it is. And IFSC code is a 11-digit code. If you know, remember that one, that is sufficient. Continue.
What is KYC?
This is a
Know your
favorite question we have discussed many times. Continue.
What is tagline motto of your bank?
This many of us will not know. Now you will not know what is the tagline of Canara Bank. Do you know?
No, sir, I haven't seen those details.
What is the logo of your bank? Okay, very good. Continue.
Do you have any fixed or recurring deposit? What are the current interest rates in your bank?
This much they will not ask. This is at a higher level. This much they will not ask. Continue.
Does your bank, our bank, was recently in news related to any topics? If yes, then elaborate.
Yeah. You just, before going for the interview, search in Google. Yeah, next.
Have you taken education or any other type of loan, or have your parents taken any sort of loan?
Okay.
What are different types of loan?
Different types of loan I have already discussed many times. Let me again repeat. Number one, loan against deposit, gold loan, then education loan, housing loan, car loan, SHG loan, MSME loan, then a renewable energy loan, then what is the other one? Say infrastructure loan, and then loan against properties like that. Continue.
What is the interest rate of loan you have taken?
Many of us may not remember. Yeah, continue.
Does the bank you have an account in have any overseas branch? Does our bank have any overseas branch?
What is the answer for Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
I think they have overseas branches. About that, please get to know. Okay,
Yes, sir.
continue.
They are having in Oman, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, some more Gulf countries. 2 Gulf.
We can see here about us. Where is it? I don't know, but it is. You must know about it. Please go through and find out. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, continue. Next. Yeah.
What are payment banks? Have you yet opened an account in any payment bank?
In fact, I came across one boy He said he has only account with one FI bank. That is, it is a subsidiary of our federal bank. FI, some payment bank, or it's not a payment bank. What is that FI? Subsidiary of federal bank. He said he has got account with that only, and he has not visited any branch. And he has opened account. Federal bank, federal bank. There is one FI, something. FI. What is the full name? I don't know. Anybody has seen that? Anybody has seen about that? We'll see here. FedE point FI. General terms and conditions. Anybody else is there? I'm not able to see that. There is one FI. If I search like that, I will get FI. What will come? FI, no, something else is come. FI Federal Debit Card. FI Federal Debit. FI Federal Bank Debit Card is a Visa Platinum card. So that name of that bank, that itself is FI. FI. The whole point of FI is that it aims to give you the best sell. That is not correct. That's not for this. Very good. Send next question.
It's a zero balance account, sir.
Zero balance account. Acha? Oh. You are able to see some screen on the screen? Yeah. Very good. Thank you. Then
You belong to a different state and wish to join an RRBPO in XYZ. Justify your reason.
but this is not applicable for us. Leave it then.
Which states are situated in the boundary of state where you apply? Like for Bihar, boundary of Bihar. What do you know about XYZ state?
That's all. So we will stop with this. We will meet again tomorrow by 8:30 p.m. Okay. Thank
Okay, sir.
you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. But
Thank
you must read like this. That is why I have taken this book. If you go on reading it, you will get interest. You will prepare for answers. But the most important is that 280 pages, that A 2023 interview questions. That is what is more important. Please go through that. Okay. Yes. Any doubts?
No,
Sir, you
sir.
have said that DICGC will give insurance for a particular person, right, sir? It is for a particular person?
Every individual.
Yes, sir. It is for not for a number of accounts. It's for every individual who have account in their bank.
For
right, sir?
every individual, 5 lakhs. Or every company. It may be a partnership company. Even then, they will give guarantee up to 5 lakhs rupees only.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah.
sir,
Viswa?
if they are asking why do you choose banking, even though you are studying in engineering, what kind of answer do you
I have
think, sir?
already told in many videos.
Whether we can say, as my father also admired in a banking like that, sir?
No.
No.
That's not a good answer. I have told already many times. Please watch the videos. Come with an answer tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.